Hi guys. Hey, oh, Jackie. So I got fresh squeezed watermelon.
Yeah.
She's behind me. Ah. And I'm in Ghana. I drank something that was really bad for me, malt. So Ghanaians love malt. Most people like malt, but malt, it's my family people doing me. We're waiting for the driver to pick me up so I can go around. Because I can't be looking like a rich auntie and there's no uncle taking pictures. Please be serious. Do you like it? So this is sweetie, what is this place? Oh, come closer. What is this place? I have these shoes in red though. It's very good, but what's in the market? Yeah. It's like 35 cedis. You put So what is this place? What is all of this?
Okay, so this side is also the upper side of the boat. So we have the down part and the upper side. The boat takes 40 people. So when some people
40 people?
Yeah.
Oh, if I
when some people are down, some people can also be arms. So
yeah.
we can set a table here.
So like if I want to like a kebab set, let's come and roast kebab for my friends at a party. I don't have a lot of friends, but the ones I do have, I like them. If I want them to come to Ghana and come and enjoy, they'll come.
Yeah.
And you guys will like, we can chill here.
Yeah.
Guys, the boat is moving. It's moving into the water. I'm a serious person. And then this one. Get your personal assistant who understands the assignment. Because, how do you, oh, we're right there. Onyo, heavy, on